Do you want to quit your job? Get rid of that 9-to-5 grind? Then you need to listen up. In this video, we're going to talk about the Clickfunnels affiliate program, where you can quit your job, make $3,000 a month, and get a free dream car. See you on the inside. Hey everybody, Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com. Welcome to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Now, I've been using Clickfunnels for about 3 years now. I am a freelance designer and I use it on a daily basis to design funnels. I think it's an amazing platform. I have worked with a lot of great people, but when I first started looking into how to make money, I really didn't know where I wanted to go or what I wanted to do. I really didn't have a product per se. I didn't really have something tangible that I could sell. As a designer, I'm only able to work the hours I work. Just like a job, I can only squeeze out so many freelance gigs every month. So I wanted something that was more sustainable and that was more scalable. And that's where I started promoting the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Now, we're going to talk about today what is an affiliate program. Probably the best description of what affiliate program is someone who refers another person to a particular product or service. We do this every day. Somebody will say, I had a great meal over at this restaurant. They had great chicken marsala. You need to go over there and try it. Well, that's essentially the same thing with affiliate marketing. I love Clickfunnels. I have been working with it. I enjoy working with it, and I've helped so many of my clients, and I love the concept of funnels. I am a funnel hacker through and through, but one of the things I realized was I couldn't make money. I was making money online. I was building a business online as a designer, but I wanted something that was more steady, I guess is the best word to use, something that was more consistent, something where I was getting a regular recurring monthly income. So that's why I started promoting the Clickfunnels affiliate program. So what we're going to do here is we're going to jump on it over into my computer, and we're going to talk about how the Clickfunnels affiliate program works, how you can promote the different products and offerings that they have through it. We're going to talk a little bit about the commission, how much you can make. We'll talk a little bit about the Dream Car program, and then we're going to talk a little bit about how you can promote these different offerings. So let's switch over to my computer. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. We try to put new content out every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 3 o'clock. We will see you on the inside. So let's review. What is an affiliate? The simplest definition of an affiliate is someone who promotes another person's product or service and gets paid a commission for doing so. Many of the retailers that you do business with on a daily basis, Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, they all have affiliate programs. You just didn't realize it because you didn't know what an affiliate was. But what I want to talk about specifically in this video is how you can promote the Clickfunnels affiliate program. So how do you learn more about the Clickfunnels affiliate program? Where I'm at here is this is my Clickfunnels Funnellosophy dashboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the top right hand corner and open up our drop downs here, and you see affiliates here. We want to click on the affiliate link, and it's going to take you to the Clickfunnels affiliate dashboard. Okay, so Clickfunnels pays up to 40% monthly recurring income. Most people that sign up for Clickfunnels sign up for one of two programs. They sign up for the $97 a month program, or they sign up for the $297 a month program. Those are the only two programs that they have right now. Okay, you get paid 40% commission on those subscribers. So if you have someone that subscribes using your affiliate link on the $97 a month program, you get paid 40% commission. So let's look that up here. So $97 times 40% is $38.80. So for every single solitary person that you get to join the ClickFunnels program, you get $38.80. Now that's on the basic plan. So let's say you get a handful of people, let's say you get 10 people to sign up on the $297 a month plan. That's going to be $118.80, or times 10, that's $1,188 a month. It comes in every month as long as that person remains active on their ClickFunnels account. They pay their bill every month. So ClickFunnels starts at 40%, and they talk about some of the promotions here. You can join their ClickFunnels affiliate group. I highly suggest this so you can talk to and share with other people on how to build it. Sign up for the affiliate boot camps. I highly recommend this. If you've never done any affiliate marketing before, you definitely want to sign up for the affiliate boot camp. Then they talk about the Dream Car rules here. If you get 100 active members, so if you have 100 active members, you will receive $500 a month towards your dream car. So that's a pretty good gig. So if you have 100 people at $38.80 a month, that's $3,880 that comes in every month, month in and month out. As long as those people remain active on the ClickFunnels program. Now the other thing is you're going to get $500 a month every month for use on payment for your dream car. And think about that. If you don't have to pay a car payment because you're getting paid by ClickFunnels every month to pay your marketing or to pay your lease payment for your car, that's a pretty good gig. All right, so let's go up here to, I'm going to log into my dashboard, and we just talked about how you can make money off just people signing up for ClickFunnels. There are so many other tools that you can, or I should say, so many other products that you can promote within ClickFunnels to make money. So, for example, the newest book that Russell Brunson has out right now is his Traffic Secrets book. So if I click on the affiliate links and I open that up, and here we are inside the Traffic Secrets affiliate program, and it gives you a breakdown of the commission. Okay, so when someone gets the free plus shipping offer of the Traffic Secrets book, you're going to earn $1. Now that's not a lot, but if you've been following my channel and if you've been following ClickFunnels and the concept of funnels, it's all about average cart value. And how do you increase your average cart value? By having things like an audiobook order bump. So when they buy the book, there's a little box there in the screen. They can get the audiobook order bump for $37. And for that, you earn $14.80. Then they go to order bump number 2, which is a 2-day event. They charge $97 for it. You earn a commission of $38.80. Many people who get the Traffic Secrets book, myself included, and I'll have an unboxing and unveiling of that pretty soon, they get the box set, which are the .com Secrets book, the Expert Secrets book, and the Traffic Secrets book, and the Unlock Your Secrets book box set in a hardbound, comes in a nice box. $97, you get up to $99.60. Okay. And then lastly, Funnelytics, which is the final one-time offer of $397. You make $125 commission. So at the 40% commission level, your potential cart value, if a customer goes through and gets every single one of these things, you're going to make $737. Your potential earnings per book on a commission of 40% is $264.40. So think about that. If you promote just this Traffic Secrets book offer, you have the potential to earn $264.40. So hopefully you're starting to see the power of affiliate marketing. Think about it. If you get 100 people to sign up for ClickFunnels using your affiliate link, that's 100 people times $38.80 per month, your 40% commission of their $97 per month subscription fee, plus you're going to get $500 a month to use towards your dream car. That is a total of $4,380 a month coming in passively. You don't have to do anything other than make sure that you keep people on your on their affiliate program. And we'll be talking about in future videos how you can do that. But think of the power of that. How would that change your life? Now that's just commission on just the ClickFunnels platform itself. Add in there all those other affiliate programs that you can promote: the Traffic Secrets book, the Expert Secrets book, the .com Secrets book. There is so much potential there for you to make money and for you to quit your 9-to-5 job and become independent and work for yourself. Wouldn't that be great to be able to spend more time with your family, to travel more, to do things that you enjoy? I know I'm certainly excited about the opportunity. So with that said, if you like what you see here, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. I also offer a free course on how to use the ClickFunnels platform. If you're brand new and you are totally confused about how to use the ClickFunnels platform, you'll find a link in the description below. Keep funnel hacking, keep dreaming, and I will see you on the beaches of the world. Take care.